face of modern healthcare has undergone a complete metamorphosis during the past few decades. Diagnosis and treatment are becoming more and more investigation-driven. Perhaps that's the reason why healthcare and pharmacy are the fastest growing sectors of the Indian economy, with an expected turnover exceeding rupees 50 billion by the year 2015. Together, these two sectors will need millions of highly skilled professionals for research and development, manufacturing and marketing activities in order to sustain this phenomenal growth.
Sardar Gurcharan Singh Ji, a visionary, a philanthropist, a man with a mission, had anticipated this scenario some 17 years back and laid the foundation of Sardar Bhagwan Singh Postgraduate Institute of Biomedical Sciences and Research, Dehradun, first of its kind in the whole of North India, in 1994. It has been a long journey since then, powered by relentless zeal, perseverance and complete dedication, which has given SPS a towering presence today. Students pour in from all over the country to get trained and seek a rewarding career in pharmacy, pharmaceutical chemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, biochemistry, physiotherapy, medical microbiology and medical lab technology. Nestled in the famous Doon Valley, known for its pleasantly moderate climate, all-around greenery and peaceful environs, Dehradun is well connected with the rest of India through rail, road and air links. Beautifully sculpted gardens, lawns and flower beds give the SPS campus a relaxed and eye-soothing look. Away from the hustle and bustle of city life, the peace and calm prevailing at the campus make it an ideal center for learning. At the core of SPS success story lies a highly qualified, motivated and dedicated faculty drawn from the length and breadth of the country. It is not the lure of merely a good compensation package, but academic freedom, an intellectually challenging and stimulating work environment where one can work, experiment and excel are the factors that attract some of the best talents to teaching positions at SPS. With 28 faculty members already having a postdoctoral degree and the rest pursuing, they have over 444 research papers to their credit, out of which 162 have been published in international journals. We at SPS are of firm belief that glass and steel structures alone do not make an institution, but what, how and by whom is being taught inside surely does. A very healthy teacher-student ratio, personal interaction and frequent doubt-clearing sessions are the hallmarks of classroom learning at SPS. Active participation by all students in discussions is encouraged, which makes learning a highly interactive and participative process at SPS. Even the best teaching methods employed in classroom need to be supplemented by some quality hours in a good library. A fully computerized library spread over 5,200 square feet with a seating capacity of 200 makes available to the students over 12,000 books, 100 Indian and foreign journals and 200 CDs on various topics of biomedical sciences through an open access system. A modern, high-tech and fully equipped laboratory is indispensable for the teaching of applied sciences. What the students learn in the classrooms, they get an opportunity to put into practice in our state-of-the-art, most advanced laboratories. Nitty-gritty of British and Indian pharmacopoeia and secrets of achieving accuracy in drug manufacturing are laid bare in our well-equipped pharmacy lab. Tissue culture is the growth of cells or tissues separate from the organism. When we hear the name of Dolly, the first cloned sheep, our minds naturally conjure up the image of Tissue Culture Lab. At SPS PGI, under the eagle-eyed supervision of highly qualified faculty, students experiment and acquaint themselves with complex scientific theories. They learn how tissue cells are used to raise organism in artificial medium under controlled conditions in a sophisticated tissue culture lab. When Sachin Tendulkar plays his favourite on drive, how the execution of shot is going to affect his tennis elbow can only be judged by a well-trained physiotherapist. students at SPS are equipped to diagnose the extent and nature of neurological, musculoskeletal, or sports induced impairment and suggest possible remedial exercises. God said, "Let there be life on earth," and the first microbe was born. No study of life is possible without the study of microbes. These invisible scavengers cycle and recycle all elements on earth to make life sustainable. Our microbiology lab is well equipped to take up this challenge. There is no better place than our microbiology lab to learn how microbial inoculum is seeded in artificial medium and incubated at desired temperature and humidity in sterilized conditions. At SPS, the combination of latest equipments and the best faculty propels a student to achieve perfection and make medical lab testing a zero-error process. SPS runs 6 OPDs throughout the city, not only as part of its social commitment, but also to facilitate first-hand training to students under expert supervision of qualified doctors. Conferences and seminars are a regular feature at SPS. Our annual national seminar attracts experts from all over the country. It provides a golden opportunity to the students to learn about the latest developments in the relevant fields. All leading pharmaceutical companies visit SPS for campus placements on a regular basis and hire liberally. Names of our students are a common feature on the rolls of pharmaceutical giants such as Ranbaxy, Cipla, Lupin, Cadila, Dr. Reddy's, Alembic, Glenmark, and many more. Pathology labs where accuracy is valued, our students are the natural choice. L'Oreal, a world leader in cosmetics, also employs our students. Those who are willing to go offshore easily find gainful employment in the Middle East and even USA and Canada.
We from Cipla also would like to thank you definitely for all the help firstly. And I'm coming here for the first time, but I'm quite impressed with the help and the cooperation that I'm getting from the whole team of this college also. And we'll definitely look forward to looking at your students. Because I think the way Cipla is growing, this requirement of students is forever. So we can't get away with this. So our relation with, and coordination with you is always welcome. And look forward to coming to you again and again.
Hostels at SPS are not merely a place to reside at, it's where the students from different places learn to live, interact, and share and benefit from each other's experiences. SPS provides on campus neat and hygienic boarding and lodging facilities to 275 boys and 600 girls separately. The stress is on providing decent facilities at affordable cost with minimal distractions. Both hostels have decent mess facility, well-furnished reading rooms, air-conditioned recreation halls with latest entertainment gadgets like home theater system and indoor or outdoor games facilities. The cafeteria housed in a separate building serves pure vegetarian Indian and Chinese light snacks plus hot and cold beverages during college hours. All work and no play is not the rule at SPS. Sports do not strengthen limbs alone, they also help to build a strong mind and sound character. We at SPS believe that those who are going to take care of others' health should first take care of their own. Every student of SPS is encouraged to participate in some or the other kind of game or sport. The institute provides excellent facilities for outdoor games and sports such as athletics, field hockey, football, cricket, basketball, and badminton, to name just a few, in addition to indoor games such as table tennis and carrom. Regular sports meets and events generate huge interest among our students and keep them fully charged and perked up. Life at SPS PGI itself is a celebration. This is best manifested in our annual festival and the Founders' Day celebrations held every year in the month of November. Hard grind of classrooms, labs and library comes to a halt for 3 to 4 days and the whole institute bears a festive look. The Founders' Day is celebrated with greatest fervor and enthusiasm. In fact, it is one of the most popular and hit cultural event of Dehradun, where seating space is always at a premium. The bigwigs of Hindi and Urdu poetry enchant and enthrall the packed house of a spellbound audience through their regular renditions in the Kavi Sammelan organized by SBS. Cultural events are not only a source of celebration, but they also provide an insight and understanding about the world around us. And without this understanding, no education can be called complete. We at SPS believe in preparing our students for all the challenges a competitive world might throw at them. Participation in National Cadet Corps activities not only train our students physically but strengthens and disciplines them mentally as well. They learn to place nation and society above self. The annual alumni meet is yet another sought after event at the campus, wherein SPS PGI alumni congregate from far and near to share their experiences and latest developments, plus guide the younger lot and also to express their gratitude to their alma mater. A magazine is also brought out on the occasion. The strength of good teaching and good infrastructure is evident from our well-placed alumni all over the globe. So come, join, learn, experience, enjoy and see how quality education can transform your career.
Well, I think this college provides a best platform for a bright future.
It's my proud privilege to be part of this institute.
Hi, I'm Yogendra Singh, working as a head QC with Alembic Limited, Baddi. Today I have 10-year experience in pharmaceutical industry, companies like Ranbaxy, Glenmark, Alkem and Endshift. Thank you SBS for making my life meaningful. Thank you.